Yeah.
Come on, snow. Well, we found the snow.
Yeah. We have to stop putting the chains on here in a minute. It's more ice than snow.
Is it slippery at all?
Oh yeah, it'll be slippery. I'm more worried about having to get off this. I'm not sure we can get onto any side roads from here.
Yeah, I don't know either. So,
You just have to put the chains on the middle of the road here and figure out what to do.
yeah. We'll see. Yay, we found the snow. But now we gotta put the chains on. Because there's no way we're gonna go that way unless we have chains on. Here we go. So now we're backing down the road because we just don't think there's gonna be camp spots up there. Well, we probably can get up on the road, but we can't.
Road, yeah, but I don't think we can take a side road. It's just it's too. I mean, the edges are too deep, and so I think we would, even with chains on, get stuck. It's not snow. It's pure ice. Like you can't even out there. You can't even break through that. It's pure ice right there. So,
Too slick. Not safe.
if the road didn't keep going higher and higher, I'd be like, yeah, okay, we'll probably be fine as we're going flat. But it starts climbing out to Doofer, and it's okay.
So we're backing down.
Come on, no key and tires. Earn your keep here.
Oh, I think we have to get her.
Go back up a little bit more.
Okay. All right. Just to bring everybody up to date, we came through this campground thinking we were going to get to another site we were looking for, not part of the campground.
Whoa.
And
Now we're. It's an ice rink out here.
it's an ice rink. So we don't have our chains on. 'Cause somebody thought that we didn't need the chains.
Nope, put chains on.
Chains! All right,
Okay.
here we go.
Chains again.
Excited?
Am I excited again?
Well, I mean, we get to, use the chains. Let's get out and see how slick it is. Are you okay?
It's slick.
Okay, I'm gonna try to get out. Oh God!
We can't even get up that little hill.
Oh God! Oh God! Oof. I feel like
Alright, let's do this, let's swap.
so. Yeah, see, campground, and there's a river right here. It's probably gorgeous, but I'm scared to walk over there. It's so slick. You be okay if I go look at that and see how high the water is?
As long as you don't fall in, 'cause I'm not coming after you.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, I don't care what kind of flow job you have. This is ice. I mean, yeah, you can do better.
Better
This
than
is
this.
pure ice.
It's so beautiful out.
So we made it to camp. The first few options didn't work out, as you saw. Went up that road we've been on many times. I found a lot of great campsites off there, but it was ice. Had to put the chains on. We didn't have to. We decided to put the chains on to safely back down.
Well, plus we wanted to practice.
Yeah, it was the first time we put them on before. We bought them on Craigslist a few years ago and actually never put them on until yesterday in the garage. So it worked out. They fit well. Back down that road, went to a couple other spots, went down to a campground that we had to put the chains on again, just because it's just pure ice. Like if it was snow, wouldn't have been a problem, but it is just ice. We found this spot. I think it's an iOverlander site, though we just kind of stumbled on it. It's really beautiful. It's down on the river here. It's not too far off the highway, but you really can't hear it with the river noise. So now we're here with our warm fire. Nancy's got some London fog in her hat and her gloves, and so we're gonna settle in a bit. We're hoping tonight it snows. They say it might, so it'd be great. Get a couple inches of snow when we wake up. But yeah, we're gonna chill out here for a bit. We had lunch at Solstice Pizza earlier today, which was fantastic.
Probably be my dinner.
Probably be some dinner. We have half a large pizza left. We'll heat it up on the stove. Yeah, so it'll be great. So we'll just take it along. Try this at home. I'm a semi-professional.
Semi?
As you can tell.
He's not. You gonna blame it on your hands are cold?
I think that log must be frozen. I made of concrete, one of the two.
You're good. Oh, no.
Oh, shit.
Obviously. Yay! Woo! Okay. My turn next. This is the first time I've done this.
All right.
So.
Have at it.
You don't want to wrap your finger on.
No. Where'd it go? Oh, wow. Well, it went in something.
Why do I keep pointing it down there?
Try and pinch it with your fingers and flick it your wrist more. Grab just the tip, Nancy. Just the tip. Okay. We weren't recording, but Nancy actually stuck it in a log, so sorry.
Amazing, and it sounded like butter.
Sorry about that.
Freezing, cause why?
It's snowing.
Snowing. I can't really see it. Oh, you can see a little bit on the ground right there. Watch him. Yep, it's snowing.
Oh.
No. But it's ridiculously cold. Oh. Exactly what we wanted. Can you see where the road is?
That's where the
was like really deep snow roots. Actually, ice roots, I should say. From all the vehicles driving through here. I can't believe we don't have our chains on right now.
Well, snow, that's really good traction.
This is so pretty. It's really cool. It's like, it's guiding us through. The ice is just literally guiding you through. It's like a winter wonderland here. Zero cares that he's in the middle of the road. Nope. Hello? Someone's got hay hanging out of his mouth. It's okay, buds. Don't run. Look at how cute they are. They're running. You can walk. It's okay. Hello? Hi, buddy. Hey, guess what?
What's up?
We're still on this road.
We've got about 4 miles of
God, it's the longest road ever.
Yeah, it's 18 miles.
18 miles of gravel road.
Yeah, but it's pretty good. We're going 35. That's, we could be going faster, but it's actually only 23 here. So
Yeah, we're kind of speeding. But still,
it's fine.
it just seems like this road.
And the best part is, if we don't like it, down here we can.
Oh, we're gonna turn around and go. Oh my God. Wow, that place is huge down there. I don't know if you can tell. There's a whole area down there. Yeah, I think we're gonna have the whole place to ourselves. So the road ends right here, 18 miles down a gravel road to this place. Wow. It's quite the area.
Big.
It is big. Camp for the night. The one tree that we have. Have the whole campground to ourselves. How pretty it is out here. Little island out there. Look at the color of that water. Get to stare at this all night. All that. It looks like a pyramid. It's kind of neat. Yeah, we have the place to ourselves. This is really, really pretty, really peaceful. Very homey for tonight. I'm gonna go sit by that fire again because it's freaking cold.
And that is our neighbor, the train, every hour or so. We hope not, at least it's 11:30. We'll see if it comes back. So that train came by 4 times last night, or this morning, whatever. 10:30, 11:30, 3:30 or 4, and then at 5 a.m. So was a pretty nice spot, but sleep wasn't all that great. The good thing is it snowed up in the hills last night, and it's really beautiful up there now. Well, that brings this adventure to an end. Thanks for following along so far. We had another 2 great nights of camping out here in Oregon. First night was really our first night camping in the snow since we've had the van. We didn't do that much winter camping before. The S-Bar heater really opened up a lot of possibilities for us to camp when it's much colder, so it was great. We'd like to do some more. The chains worked out well. The icy road's not so much fun, but we'd like to do some more snow camping probably in January.
Might be my favorite.
Yeah, it was nice.
So far.
Yeah, it was a beautiful spot. It was nice to wake up to the fresh snow and do some hiking, and it was beautiful. And this spot was okay. I mean, if it wasn't for the train, it would have been pretty cool. But
it is really pretty out here. I'll give them that.
Yeah,
but it's very isolated, which is something we usually like.
Yeah,
the river's pretty. Not
usually, one to camp in a lot of campgrounds, like we said, but it's empty. But every couple hours that train goes by, and you know it because it's right along the river there. But
yeah, sometimes there's train tracks and there's never ever trains on it. So I was hoping that was the case, but clearly not this time.
Not this time. But thanks for watching. We'd love to have you guys follow along, subscribe and like, and comment below. We'd really appreciate the feedback.
Thanks, guys.
All right, we'll see you next time.
Bye.